Hello everyone, my name is King Collector. Today we have another subject that just came in a couple minutes ago. This is a Huskee 21-inch multi-purpose push mower. This is not self-driven like the first one was. This is a late 2010s model. We've actually had this for a while. Unlike the first one I got was actually free from somebody completely unrelated, but this has been in the family for a couple years now. I think we got this in 2017, I want to say. But my parents actually bought that self-drive from me, and in return I got this. So this one, in terms of cosmetics, is actually in really good shape. You have this down here, and well, that's really it. I mean, you have some scuffing here and there, but other than that, this thing is perfectly fine. I popped the air filter off, as you can see. Had some grass in it, but there's no staining from any oil, so that means we don't have any real blow-by. Because you can see in there, that is where the oil breather is. That's usually how it works on these. So sometimes when they have a lot of blow-by, it'll come out here and get all over the filter, but this one is bone dry, which is a good thing. So we have a healthy engine, that's for sure, and I just know that because I've used this way more than I like to admit. So anyways, we're just going to do a quick service on it, get it cleaned up, and put it up for sale. So let's get to it. This is the one thing I don't like about this. This grill for the fan is really not that great. It tends to get grass caught up in it, and it clogs up, and then the engine can't get air, overheats, and you kill it. Although, of course, we always known about that issue, so we just clear off the grass every now and then, and it's fine. So, yeah, that's just one thing I don't like about these. Ran out of daylight, but as you can see, it's already cleaning up really nicely. Of course, like I said, we take care of our stuff. This thing has always been stored indoors an entire 5-year life, so I guess it'll be the next day, but let's continue. Alright, well, that will conclude this quick flip. Just recording this outro on the GoPro because my other camera's dead from the new Craftsman mower that we got. This video should be coming out between part 1 and part 2 of that. So not sure when part 2 is going to come out, because still not sure when the parts are going to arrive, and I have other things going on as well. But anyways, there you go. Your first oil change in it. That's all it really needed. Starts up first pull every time. So that'll be it. See you guys in the next video.